Hi, it's Russ, the driving instructor from Southampton. Welcome to this latest selection of clips captured on my driving lessons in my new car in the Southampton area. In this first one, we've got a meeting situation. My pupil quite rightly slows down to let this white car come through. So we slow down, the car behind us thinks we're parking, overtakes us, and forces that poor white car to have to slow down and wait. It's not very clever. In this clip, we've got someone performing a pretty spectacular wheelie in the middle of a junction. Look at the speed of this e-scooter behind us. We're on a 20-mile-an-hour road. I don't know what he's doing, but he flies past us in a moment. I think this Amazon van driver's playing the how close can I get to a car in front game without actually hitting it. Couldn't believe how close he got to us. He then expected us to try and pull away again when we had limited space in front of us. Someone's right turn. In the new road, there's 2 lanes. The vehicle was alongside us, so they should have used the right-hand lane once they go around the corner. Instead, they pull up in front of us, and the trailer got very close to the front of my car. A little bit worrying. It's now time for some poor and inconsiderate parking. I think it's supposed to return delivery, but I'm not sure. This made me chuckle. The driver of that black car can just see just back around the roundabout has noticed a flag on one of the lampposts. And I'm not that sure he's a fan of it. Look what happens next. This oncoming car obviously forgot that they meant to give way to us on this right turn. This big lorry coming towards us very nearly took me by surprise. I just about managed to work out what he was doing. I'm sure the last car that clears this junction must have gone through a red traffic light, because mine goes to green as he's still coming through. This white car in front's a new driver, as you can tell by the P plate that's on the back of their car. Looking at their driving, I'm not convinced they should have passed. They do cause quite a lot of chaos and have a common roundabout as they're trying to negotiate it. All we needed to do was just to stay in the left-hand lane as they're in, and they would have been fine. So we now have another driver that can't stay in their lane. As I like to go to green, there's 2 lanes on New Road. I stay in the left lane, the car to my right should keep in the right hand lane. Instead, she just cut straight in front of me. Give me nowhere to go apart from into the wall or into her. I absolutely hate this road. I'm always worried that I might meet a bus just on the Huntback Bridge. This day, I did. It's not a lot of room. So here my pupil kindly slows down to let the bus come through, but before the bus has a chance to go past a parked car, the car behind's overtaken it. Don't think the bus driver was that impressed with the driving. So this white van driver on the right nearly pulls in front of us. She just about stops herself just at the last minute. Here we're slowing down to let the unmarked police vehicle come through. Now it's time for another impatient driver. We've got a mini roundabout. We're going ahead, second exit. Most people attempt to take the correct route round the roundabout because you're not meant to go over them. Let's just start going round it. Look what happens. I think this white car that we're about to see is going a little bit too quick. It's now a road, there's a big speed bump. He nearly takes off. So here we have it, the world's longest and slowest train. This was one of my driving lessons. It took absolutely ages. If you want to fast forward it, feel free. This is the last clip, so thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Come back next time for some more madness on the UK roads. Till next time, cheers and bye. If you're still with us, this was actually sped up. This is at twice the speed. And it's still going flipping slow.